Those who have not studied biological science and geological science may find it difficult to begin with the topic on mass extinctions. When we talk about mass extinctions, catastrophe comes into our mind. But before I deal with the mass extinctions, let me tell you that mass extinction merely means the wiping out of at least 75% of the existing species of that time on Earth. Ever since the evolution of life on the Earth, that is 550 billion years ago, there have been several occasions in which many species wiped out in a short amount of time. The events related mostly to the climate change, the change in the sea level, the rise or lowering of the sea level, rise of the temperature, lowering of the temperature, resulting in the ice age, meteorite bombardment, volcanic eruptions, and so on. So there have been a number of such catastrophic events that spelled doom on the existing species. In normal circumstances, some species become extinct and some new species are formed. So there is a speciation, that is the formation of species, and annihilation of some species, extinction of some species. That is, some species that lived a few years ago are no longer to be seen on the earth today. And we feel sorry about them that now our future generation will not be able to see, for example, saber-toothed tiger, woolly mammoth, and so on. But the change is the essence of life. When there is a mass extinction, large number of species are wiped out, as I said earlier. But these species had become dominant on the earth and they occupied habitats. When they become extinct, new species come into being, new species begin to flourish, and they occupy those niches. That is, one species vacates the home and this becomes new home for a new species. This is a part of life. Had there been no extinction of dinosaurs, there would have been no flourishing of mammals. And therefore we can say that mass extinctions, although seem very cruel, are part of nature, and nature sometimes removes by dramatic action one type to give rise to the formation and radiation of other types of beings. I'm not going into the details of how many mass extinctions occurred. Some say that 5 extinctions have already occurred and the 6th extinction might take place in near future due to human intervention. It's a matter of debate. I don't want to get into that. But let me tell you that there have been 5 major extinctions, although there have been a few other extinctions, and scientists are in disagreement as to how many extinctions have really occurred over a period of time.